You know what's a simple thing that crazy benefits? Apple cider vinegar. It's a real game changer if you use it in the right way. For digestion, ever feel bloated after eating? ACV helps with acidity, improves gut health, and make digestion smoother. Just mix a little bit in a water and drink before meal. For weight loss struggling with cravings, ACV controls appetites, boosts metabolism, and helps burn fat naturally, but don't overdo it. Just a little bit daily is enough. For skin, got acne or dull skin, apple cider vinegar works like a natural toner. It balances skin pH, fights acne, and even reduces dark spots. Just dilute it with water before applying. For hair, dandruff, and dull hair, ACV removes build-ups, reduce dandruff, and make hair soft and shiny. Just rinse your hair with diluted ACV after shampooing. So yeah, this simple vinegar does wonders. Use it wisely and you see the difference. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and comment for more such videos.